Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Amazon Seller app drafts on mobile step by step clearly. Open the Amazon Seller app on your mobile device. Log into your Seller account if prompted. Navigate to the Manage Inventory section. Locate the drafts you wish to backup. Tap on the draft to open it for editing. Review the details of the draft to ensure it is complete. Take screenshots of each section of the draft. Make sure to include critical information like product title, description, and pricing. To capture images, press the appropriate button combination on your device. Check the gallery to ensure the screenshots are clear and readable. Return to the draft and continue through the required sections. For text-based notes, use a note-taking app on your device. Type or paste essential information from the draft into the note. Save all edited notes in a dedicated folder for easy access. Repeat this process for each draft you want to backup. Once you have backed up all necessary drafts, close the Amazon Seller app. Review your notes and screenshots to verify completeness. Consider writing a backup copy of your notes in a cloud service for extra security. That's how you back up your Amazon Seller app drafts on mobile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.